Hello everyone, welcome to Keundo live webcasting. My name is Steven. The topic I want to share today is green print and special applications. The world is getting more and more green, and our Keundo slogan is green future, green print. So today, let me show you and explaining how Keundo is planning better future by green print. Keundo is born in Korea in the year of 1981 and is always providing the products at the forefront of inkjet printing industry. And Keundo China was founded in 2014. And we are very proud to say Keundo is a pioneer of green print. Keundo China, located in Nanjing, as a printing equipment R&D and production enterprise, Keundo has been committed to applications and promotions of digital inkjet printing in various fields for many years. And we are providing one-stop service from equipment to applications. And industrial upgrading equipment for in traditional advertising industry through technological innovation, improving technology, quality, and printing speed, making printing production more and more environmentally friendly, so it can meet the needs of the market. For the Keundo product line, we have many kinds of product series. We got grand format direct textile printer series. We have grand format latex printer series. We have industrial sublimation printer series. We have grand format UV printer series. And we have Keundo specialty series. So firstly, let me introduce the Keundo direct textile printer series. The Keundo has a large scale of direct textile products. From the basic to high-end, Keundo can independently produce not only the printer, but also the color fixator and air cleaner. And this year, we're showing one model which can achieve printing and color fixating at the same time, which make the production more efficient. The Keundo is providing the cut-edge printers in the last 40 years, and we are leading the soft signage. So what is soft signage? Soft signage is direct printing on polyester or polyblend for advertisement. It's a sublimation printing on soft and light fabrics. It's a very eco-friendly solution due to the use of recyclable fabrics and water-based ink. So why we need soft signage? Because it's real green solution if compared to PVC printing, which is the main usage in the market. And it's using water-based ink. It's no harm to health and environment. A Keundo textile ink is specially designed for direct sublimation printing. It works with indoor and outdoor fabrics for light boxes and flags. It is water-based ink and with no odor at all. So there are a lot of advantages for soft signage. Like the fabrics are very light, so the transportation cost and the handling costs are much lower. And because it's repeatable use, so it's very easy to wash and fold, and easy for storage as well. So what can we do with the soft signage? We can have a lot of applications, like the billboards, the flags and banners, the backlit advertisements, advertising holdings, the meeting displays, exhibition displays, the theater jobs, and the stage decorations, and the wallpapers, etc. So here are some pictures for different usage of direct textile printing, and we can make huge flags with great color performance. And we can make background panel, advertising holding, curtains, the stage decorations. There's more and more usage for it. And we can use for shopping mall displays. There are a lot of shopping mall displays that use the direct textile printing and have very good effect. And we can do a lot of exhibition displays because there are more and more exhibition displays that using direct textile printing because it's very easy for transportation and handling. And it's very fast assemble and disassemble. And then it's recyclable and it's produced no waste at all. So it saves a lot of labors and resources to make our exhibition more environmental friendly. This is our other applications for exhibition displays, the hanging signs. The directed textile also can do very good backlit advertisement. Why there are more and more advertisements like the backlit using the directed textile? Compared to PVC printing or UV printing, it has a more superior sense and there's no light pollution. It's great color performance and it has a higher standard brand expressing. So if a good brand and use the directed text printing, you will give the customer better image. Because the ink is water-based, it's totally green, so we also can use it for wallpaper as well. And so how to make the software signage? These are several themes of in our customer side and how to make the production for the fabric. So what advantage we have? We're good at many areas like R&D. We have top-tier partners. We have a rich product line from basic to high-end. And we have very professional team on application development and service. The second product line is industrial grand format latex printer. There's one model I want to share today. It's the Keundo Latex-3300. So why we're going to latex? The latex printer also use water-based ink. So it's also green and eco-friendly. If compared to directed textile printer, latex has more media applications. The printing quality is very high, and we have many more media applications, and we got industrial production ability with the eco-friendly ink, so you have many more green future applications for this printer. For this printer, we can use very high standard wallpaper solution. We can do all kinds of fabric media like cotton, polyester, linen, etc. Because directed textile printer mainly printing on polyester, this kind of fabric. But latex has much more media applications than the sublimation. Can support normal media like banner, vinyl, wall-based, paper-based media, canvas, etc. So these are some main applications for latex printer. Like the indoor decoration, we can make oil painting, the wallpaper, the sunshine shade, the curtains, shop decorations, There are many more innovative solutions. For Keundo latex ink is 100% eco-friendly. We pass the ink environmental friendly certificate by third-party authorization, like the TUV. This is a report of TUV and shows the ink is totally eco-friendly. The third product line of Keundo is industrial sublimation printer. As we know, the sublimation market is growing very fast. So Keundo launches the industrial-based sublimation printer. It's also using water-based sublimation ink, but it can use for the garments, the home textile, some customization, printing market as well. The production is volume. We mainly use two kinds of printheads. One is Epson i3200 printhead. Another one is industrial Epson S3200 printhead. The first model is SQ2208, 2215, and 2815E. It's using 8 or 15 pieces Epson i32 printhead. The printing weight has 2.05 or 2.65 media weights option. It has super high speed. If using 8 heads, it can print 380 square meter per hour. If using 15 heads, it can print 620 to 650 square meter per hour. Instead of pinch roller feeding, Keundo industrial printer using rubber roll feeding system. And we have heavy duty loading system with 3,000 or 10,000 meter option. The second sublimation product line is using the industrial Epson S3200 printheads. With industrial printhead, it has much more stable and less labor using and high production. It also has 2.05 and 2.65 of weight option. The speed is also super fast. We also can loading super heavy media, and this printer will equip magnetic linear driving system. So with this model, we can do volume production for garment, home textile making, because it still has a huge market, and it's getting more and more. It's still developing rapidly in this market. So these are some applications for our sublimation printer, like the home textiles, the sportswears, the personalized customization. With the sublimation, we also can do light box. The other product line of Keundo is the grand format UV printer series. As we know, the UV printer market is already popular for many years, but due to the character of UV ink light curing, it can solve the solution in many areas. Like the grand format UV rotary printers, we have 3.2 and 5 meter of option. The grand format better, this solution is mainly replace the solvent printing. It's higher printing quality. It's very strong visual sense. So the UV has very good usage on the advertisement, like banners, the grand format banners. The second UV product is the industrial UV flatbed printers. The UV flatbed printer, you can print on rigid materials directly, then by different sizes. We have 2.5 by 1.3 meter. We have 2 meter by 3 meter. We have 3.2 by 1.6 meter. And we have 3.2 by 2 meter. So Keundo flatbed printer has many configurations which can meet all kinds of requirements. The third UV printer series is the hybrid UV. The hybrid UV means it can print both roll-to-roll and rigid materials. As the UV markets become more customized, there are many more smaller jobs, but need higher quality, and it needs eco-friendly and more efficient. So Keundo hybrid printer meets all these requirements, which can print both rigid and roll-to-roll media. As we equip with industrial Ricoh Gen 5 or Ricoh Gen 6 printheads, so it's got better color performance and outstanding resolution. With our UV hybrid printer or UV printer, we can print the color or color plus white or color plus white plus color, the multi-layer solutions. So it's suitable for more jobs. And our hybrid printer got a very impressive function, which we have the folded extension beds. So it's very easy to handle and it saves a lot of working space. The UV has a lot of applications, we call it unlimited applications, like the metro light box, the window advertisements, the project and the shows, the decorations, car wraps, recycle bags, are still in rapid development for the multi-layer printing. So we can see so many applications with 3-layer printing or 4-layer, even 5-layer printing, especially for the window, the glass displays. So this is our the 3-layer printing, we call it sandwich printing applications, especially in all kinds of restaurants and the shopping malls. So it still has a huge market. The last Keundo product line is the specialty printers. The Keundo is always producing all kinds of special usage to meet the developing market for the customized and all kinds of new technology to new applications. The first one is the special UV label printer. Actually, this printer we're using small flatbed using the 60 by 90 size. With this printer, actually, we can do many more applications, like because this printer, the printing height is maximum by 15 centimeter, and it can printing uneven surface, and it can print on bottle, all kind of boards, pans. Today, I want to share a very popular solution by this printer. We call it UV DTF, the UV label transfer solution. Actually, this solution, it can print on directed film. It's a new technology of digital revolution. The biggest advantage is after printing, it can directly attach to any substrate that you want to print, like the plastic pads, the leathers, wood, packing box, ceramics, metal, glasses. It has UV direct print effect, but no heating process requirement, no need dry, but it has very good adhesion on curved or rugged surface. This is the procedure and how to make the UV label transfer. First, we print on a magic film. We call it magic film. It's a printing film with adhesive. Then secondly, we laminate a transfer film on this printing film. Then we cut logo, and we set apart the transfer film away from the printing film. Then we stick the image on the substrate that you want to print, remove the transfer film, the image will stick on the surface very strong. So with this solution, you can print on almost any kind of solutions, because some surface that printer cannot print directly. By using this solution, you can print on any kind of surface. This is another Keundo special applications. We call it industrial eco-friendly special solution printer. It's 1.8 printing weight, and using special eco-friendly digital ink with belt system, it can print on leather, the floor mat, the table mat, and has a huge market for like house, shopping mall, hospital, and other building, all kind of flooring solution. It has beautiful color, high level of color fastness. We believe this solution has a huge market. This is another special solution we call a 3D texture printer. This printer, we can print the image with very thickness of like 2 to 3 millimeter of the ink height. We're still using the industrial print heads, but we can print like 9 color, the CMYK, light cyan, light magenta, light black, orange, and white. It has the screen and partition, decorative, hanging picture, glass curtain, hanging picture, artistic decoration, etc. So with so many printers and so many applications, here let me show you a brief video and see how these applications work. Area. There's a UV, textile, latex, and special applications. Various display output. This is the direct sublimation textile solution. We know better about soft signage. This printer we call TX6 is using Spectre industrial print heads. It can print flags, the background, exhibition displays, shopping mall display. This is a latex printer. The latex printer is also an eco-friendly solution. It solves the problem of color fastness and uses automatic moisturizing and clean system. It has advanced color management. It's very good for interior wall decoration. These are the applications for the latex printer. It also can do home decoration as well. It can do plain window decoration, the window, the curtain, the sunshine shade, and those shop decorations. There are so many applications that the latex can do. It has very good fast drying, waterproof. This is the Keundo industrial sublimation printer. This one is equipped with 8 pieces Epson i3200 print heads. It's using rubber roll media feeding system and a felt feller, felt roller, honeycomb suction platform, the truck drive, working more efficiently. The structure is very strong, and we use jumbo roll. This is the heating system. and help the paper drying fast. Yes, super fast. The print speed is more than 600 square meter per hour. And you also use industrial heavy duty structure. Well, this printer can instead the pinch roller printer in the market and much more stable, less labor, more efficient, less maintenance. This is a jumbo roll for 10,000 meter. It's high speed and better performance than heavy color printing. And without cleaning for massive job, and with high quality. This is an industrial printhead sublimation printer with 8 pieces S3300 industrial printhead, and using the magnetic linear motor driving. The maximum media roll, we have tried the 18,000, even 19,000 media. The printing speed is super fast. The heater system is advanced. So this is the UV solutions, a UV hybrid. We can print both roll to roll This printer has very flexible solution, so it can help the customer to make more products, just use one printer. Now this is a printing on rigid material directly by this hybrid printer. So this printer can print both the roll-to-roll media and also can print a whole board by 4 by 8 feet. This is the 3.2 hybrid printer. With this printer, it can, compared to the roll-to-roll, it has more smoothly fitting. Even the media is flexible, it also can fit in very well. This is UV flatbed printers. This is a very special solution we call a lenticular 3D solution. We're using industrial print heads. The speed is faster. And we paint varnish on it, so it's a very special performance. This is what we call lenticular 3D printing. With this kind of solution, you can have like 3D effect. A very good fast, the anti-scratchiness and the color fastness. And this is the Keundo UV roll-to-roll printer series. We only produce industrial grand format UV roll-to-roll printer to replace the solvent printing in the market. We have also many configurations for this printer. Not only the color, we also can print white and varnish or 3-layer printing. These are 3-row printing together on our 5-meter UV roll-to-roll printer. They can print multi-row. It's an advertising application for metro. This is the small UV flatbed. It's showing the UV label transfer solution. We can print the white color and varnish. We need to laminate a film on it. We remove the transfer film. You can see the image will stay on the substrate you want to print. You can transfer on any kind of substrates, no matter it's even or uneven. Here's the glass. glass transfer. This is the Keundo solution to print the floor mat. You can print on very thick materials, and it's also uneven. The speed is very fast, and it's drying fast because it had advanced drying system. It can print on floor mat, yoga mat, PVC table mat, floors. This is a 3D textured application. You can see the ink, the picture is very thick. You can use for all kind of decorations. So Keundo is always devoting ourselves to the development of our inkjet printing industry. We're trying our best to make more green products, use our green printing technology to print a green and a better future. So this is all I share today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.